All right, we're now going to answer this past exam question. It's taken from VCAA 2018, paper 1, question 21. It says, which one of the following recursion relations could be used to model the value of a perpetuity investment, P of n, after n months? Okay, the first thing that is going to come into your head is the fact that we've got a perpetuity. And what that means is that the interest that is generated is going to be equal to the payment. So that's the first thing. As soon as you see that, that's the first thing that comes into my head. We've got a perpetuity. So that means the interest generated is going to be equal to the payment. Well, what I've circled right here, that is the payment. So that means, so if I was to take the first one, for example, 356 has to be the interest that was generated. This here is telling me the interest per month of this much money. So that means if I was to take 0.0029 and times it by, whoopsie daisy, and times it by 120,000, 1, 2, 3, my answer should be 356 if this is a perpetuity. But as you can see, it's 348. That means the amount of interest generated by option A here is 348. Well, that means if it's a perpetuity, I should be taking out 348. That means this is wrong. A can't be my answer. A is out. Then I go to B. So again, what I'm going to say is that this here, the interest generated on this here should be 846. So I'm going to go 0.0047 and times it by 180, 1, 2, 3, hit enter. And as you can see, it does. It's 846, which is what we see here. So therefore, the interest is equal to the payment. Therefore, we can be sure that B is my correct answer. Oh, that's an ugly circle. Let's try that again. B is my correct answer. You could keep on going through the rest of them to double check them all, but I'm pretty sure, well, I know because I've seen the answers as well, that it is correct. But again, you could keep on going. You could go to the next one and say, all right, the interest generated on $210,000, 0.0071 times by 210, 1, 2, 3, this should be equal to 1434 if it's a perpetuity, but it's not. It's equal to 1491. So you're just going to, you could keep on going through them all and you would eliminate all of them. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. Cool. Let's now look at the examiner's report to see what they have to say for us. All right, let's come over here. Or actually, they don't say anything for us. They just tell us how many people got this right. So how many people put B as their correct answer? And as you can see, 59% of the state were able to answer that correctly. So one that we should be getting right. Hopefully you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Ooh, my computer is about to just crash. Stop.